You can get paid $90 every 5 minutes in PayPal money easy. This is the make money online method that I have to show in this video. That is really easy to do. Just follow my instructions and stay with this video till the end, and you are definitely going to earn $90 every 5 minutes of your work. So without killing any more of your time, just jump back into action. The site that I have to show in this video is called Userlytics. Yes, this is userlytics.com. This is the website that is really going to pay you for testing some apps and some applications, some websites, or anything like that. People's companies all around the world are right now building their online presence. They build websites, they build apps to expand their business, expand their profit, expand their clients database. So definitely they need more clients. So their websites, their apps need to be almost 100% perfect so that they can do that. So how they can manage that? So they need customers opinions, customers like users who use their apps and websites and review that and say their comments about that websites, what they're facing, is there any bugs, is there any problem to use that website or apps. They want to know that, and they are willing to pay for that. So this is where Userlytics comes, and they get those companies, and they get us like clients, their users who use those companies apps, websites, and review that and make some easy answers of their questions and do those tasks, and those companies pay Userlytics, and Userlytics share their revenue to those end users. So this is the really good opportunity for you to start earning money right away. So how this is going to be? You just simply go over to their bottom sections of Userlytics, and you can see that they have options under Userlytics. They have a be paid to participate. So this is the link, be paid to participate. If you just click on that, it will show simply this page where it says register. This is a 3-step process. So get paid to test websites and apps. So register, and step number 1 is register and earn money. Definitely you need to register to start earning money. Then step number 2, interact with a web or mobile app. So when after you register, you will get some task like use some websites or apps so that you can review it, you can use it and say your honest opinions about it, what you see good or what you see bad in that website or apps. And step number 3, get paid via PayPal. They pay via PayPal, and according to your task, it may get you may get $5, $10, $15, $20, and they are saying that some tasks and projects pay as much as $90 for just having fun. So this is the easiest way to earn money online right now. All you have to do is just simply input your email address here and tick mark these terms and conditions and hit sign up, and that's it. After you register and log into Userlytics, you can see this dashboard. This is a new account, so it's nothing much to show here, but you can see that the profile percent is 23%. So you have to complete your profile 100% to get tasks from Userlytics. So all it takes is just simply click on my profile. It will show something like this. You just simply fill your basic informations out there, your email, PayPal email, and your spoken languages, your date of birth, your country, your state, and the right side, this is the advanced profile. This is what is important to get tasks from them. So what smartphone you use, tablets, what social network you use, what operating system, you use, what is your preferred web browser, what is your education level, what country currency you like to get paid, and your household income, your occupation, your family status, and mother language, children, religion, web expertise, ethnicity, employment status. All these are really important to get tasks from this. So be sure you be honest on that, and complete all the details, and make sure you hit the 100% on your profile complete sections to qualify for test. So this is the second part. After registrations, you need to complete your profile 100% to get some task to right away. So this is the second part. So the third part, after you complete your profile 100%, then you will going to get some task like this. I'm going to show you a sample task like this. You're going to get some task like this. The task is saying that this is a website testing category, and the website name is etsy.com, and estimated compensation is 5 to 10 minutes. You just spend 5 to 10 minutes to complete this task, and you can get paid $90 for that. So they are saying that this is a 4-step process. So step number 1, open a new browser tab and visit Etsy official website at etsy.com. So I click on new tab and open the etsy.com website. So this is the Etsy websites I just opened. So this is the step number 1. Step number 2 is take a screenshot of the homepage of the official Etsy website using your mobile phone or your computer. So simply you just pick your smartphone and just simply screenshot this, or also your computer have a screen capture options. Simply hit print screens like this, and you can just simply capture any screen and send it to the save it as an image file and send that image file to that task to complete that task. And then step number 3 is please search for the following like clothing, women's clothing, dresses, and filter the search result based on the following. So they want us to go to women's clothing sections and the dresses sections. So we go over there, we just go over to clothing, women's, and dresses sections. So this is the sections we are in at Etsy.com. So we need to filter that result by these categories, by these filters. So special offer, free shipping. So we select free delivery. Yes, this is free delivery. Price any price, size 0. So price any price, size 0 is not available here, but anyway it's all right. Then clothing size 0 means all size is okay. So clothing style is gothic, so we select clothing styles gothic here. So dress style flapper, so we select dress style flapper here. So shop location anywhere, and item type vintage. And so shop location here is anywhere, and you can see that item type is vintage here. So this is the filtered result of that, and you just simply take a screenshot again and save it as a file. And then in the step number 4, they're saying that please search for the green sapphire engagement ring and take a screenshot of the current discounted price. So simply just copy that search term and go over to Etsy and search. I have already did it. So search that keyword and it will show all the results. So pick any product you like, just simply click on it and it will show something like this. And this is the discounted rate. It's showing up the product price and the discounted rate. So this is what they want. Simply screenshot it or take a picture of it and send it to the company, and your task will be completed. So when they approve that task, it just take 5 to 10 minutes of your time, and boom, you can get $90 for this simple task you do. And this is the sample task you can get into Userlytics, and you just simply do this over and over again. You get more tasks, more active you are in these websites, and more tasks you will going to get. And imagine just simply making 10-20 dollar, even not like 90. You just simply get 10-20 tasks every day or every week. You can get a healthy and handsome amount of pocket money every month, and at the end of the month you can get paid like $400-500 easily. This is very good way to start making money. So if you're liking this method, please go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos, and stay with my channels every day. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.